Is it time to drive in the winter? Hell yeah, it is! So I know, in previous videos I said that I was going to be putting my car away for the winter and I was going to hibernate it, but when the snow came and then it melted again, I just got the itch to drive, and I want to get out in the car. And a lot of you have commented on my videos and asked me why I'm not driving in the winter, and I just thought a rear wheel car like this on the snow, maybe not a good idea. And so with my 996, my 997, I put them into storage. But I'm gonna take a chance. This winter, I am gonna do some driving. And maybe it also had something to do with the fact that I didn't get to drive too much this year, or at least over the summer months. I'm just itching to get out. You know, the snow's on the ground now and it's really cold outside, but can you hear my tires being put on in the background? But the roads are clear. And so I won't be driving it in snowstorms and so on, but like days like today, the sky is blue. Yes, it's freezing cold, but the roads are clear. I am itching to get out on the road. I just cannot wait to get out on the road. So I've got Paul from Tread Connection here, who put the winter tires on my Cayenne and my Highlander a few months back, month or two back, whenever that was. And I'm really excited that he's here to do the 991. So let's have a quick word with Paul and let's go check out the job. Hey Paul, so thanks for coming back to put winter tires on my 911.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
So tell me a little bit about Tread Connection.
So it's a franchise started out of Charlotte, North Carolina, and I believe I'm the 11th, don't quote me on that, but the 11th franchisee. I believe we're in about 19 cities now, so it's growing, and we're a mobile company, so we come right to your home or office and put tires on.
Any kind of tires?
Any tires.
So if I'm a Michelin guy or I'm a Bridgestone guy, you can get me the tires?
Yep, if they make it, I'll get my hands on it.
That's fantastic. And what do you do out of the back of your van? What kind of things will you do with the tire?
So we have a tire changer, a balancer, everything. We basically have a fully tire shop in the back of a van, driving around town, putting tires on.
That's fantastic. And how long does your average job kind of take?
I usually say give me an hour, you know. Sometimes I'm less, sometimes I'm a little more. This one might be a little bit more, but yeah, right about the hour.
Great. Well, thanks so much for coming.
Thanks for having me.
I've got to say, one of the things I love about this service is the fact that it just kind of shows up at your door. You know, I don't need to chuck the wheels in and get them down and put them in the car and go to the location and wait and then come back. You know, it's a couple of hours of my day or more gone, and this is like based around my schedule, and they just show up, and it could be at home, it could be at the office, wherever you are, they will come to you. I just think it's a really, really cool idea for a service. That Tread Connection, check them out. The owner operator here in the Twin Cities is Paul. I'm really excited. Maybe tonight I'll get to do some driving. Time to drive in the winter? Hell yeah, it is! Well guys, I am so happy with these Michelin tires that Tread Connection put on for me. So I will see you in the next video, and hopefully that video will be soon, because I am driving in the winter. I'm pretty excited, as you can tell. So let's grip it, let's rip it, and I'll see you in the next video.
Yeah.